In this video, I'm going to show you the interacting and seeding function of pages on Facebook. So now let's get to the point. Firstly, we will choose the account which contains a lot of pages. For example, with the first account with the name Huang Huiyang KT, and I have 7 pages. Okay, I will choose it. And we set up the script. Okay, about the script name, I will go for interaction. And about the total interaction actions, you see, this is all the action that you want all the pages to do. Okay, for example, we have the new feed interaction, group interaction, and page interaction. Or if you have the existing script, you should edit it if you need it. Okay, and you select the script. But here, no option because I have no script before. We can choose the delay time. The auto-generate comments with AI. If you stick on that, the AI will auto-generate the comments for you. Do not interact with the same action twice. This is a shoot, okay? And check and uncheck all action is based on you. For example, like this, if you check all the action, will be like this. You see? All are checked, okay? So if you want to modify it, just turn it off. About the new feed interaction, if you want to read the notification, stick on that, serve the stories, serve new feeds, like new feed post. Watch each video for. What about the group interaction? And control multiple pages to join a lot of groups. Okay, 3 to 5 group. Serve the group. And if you see on that, you have to enter the post comment. Okay, hello, Huang Huiyang KT. How many group if you want? Invite friends or reply to post comments. The existing comments of the post, and we reply it. We use a lot of page to reply it. Leave the group if you want, and leave a group that require post approval. Each group from. Okay, this is a group ID. Okay, so if you want to choose the group ID, you should enter the group ID over here. But if you want to accounts group, that is different but the same because you don't have to enter the group ID anymore. Stick on the box to choose whatever you want. As well as the last one, page interaction. Serve the page, like the page, follow the page, like page post, invite friends to like the pages, invite friends to follow the page, as well as invite friends to like post on the page. You see over here, it's very detailed, right? Based on your number, okay, and your demand. And finally, let's check again the total interaction actions. You see, we have a lot of action here, like read notification, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the checkbox is one action. Remember, so we have a lot. So I will choose random 10. Okay. Let's go to the interaction configuration. We choose the script as we just created and set up the general configuration. Switch account on consecutive arrows maybe 5 times. As usual, automatically account information not needed. Repeat interaction process not needed. Pause interaction after completing one round, 5 minutes or 2 minutes based on you. Okay. All the pages or randomly choose some pages. And with the setup description, we choose to start. With a few seconds, every action will be done automatically for you. Remember, the process will be embedded, and it will show you the result here in the process log field as well as the result.